It's Monday, November 4th in Las Vegas, Nevada, here at the Las Vegas Convention Center. We're here for SEMA 2019. Monday, the show isn't even open yet, so calling this the calm before the storm really wouldn't be correct. This is more like the tropical storm before the hurricane that will be this full week of over 100,000 people checking out cars, tools, parts, all kinds of stuff. Let me go ahead and show you a little bit of what you're in for this week in my coverage. That's just a taste of what you're going to see here on the channel from SEMA 2019. I'm saying right now, right here, 2020 Supras are probably going to be pretty popular at this year's show. Go ahead and like this video, comment, let me know what you want to see out of the show this year. Go ahead and get subscribed, hit the like button, stick around to see all the coverage this week that's coming to you right here on YouTube. Check it out.